legs. So we're going to go down on our forearms, and we're going to crisscross our fingers. We're going to spread our knees, hip width apart. And we're just going to start with pushing up, and then having the knees just kind of hover over the ground. And you're going to push it up and hover up. And don't lift your neck up. We'll just do a few more. And we're just going to take the foot, turn it out, put it around your ankle, and we're going to push it up and plie. Push it up. And I'm really trying to concentrate on keeping my hips square to the ground because I feel it in my butt. And let's just push it up. Okay, reset. Make sure you're protected and ready to go. And let it bend. And push it up. Again, thinking about those hips. Plie. Push. Plie. Again. Definitely feeling this. Reset my elbows. So getting away from me. One more. I'm going to pump, pump, pump. Protect your knee. You can put a slight bend in the supporting left leg. Reset. Reset those elbows. Tuck it. Hover. We're just ending the song in a hover. Nice job.